Awesome. Hold on the tone, guys. Dave, go ahead. That's the tone. Alright, guys, let's do a few laps in. We'll see how it shakes out.
Call him, Joe. I was hanging out behind you, so I knew I had to
Nice match by Bush on Robert right there. Bush goes high, gets right by him. Right now, guys, Bush leading the way. He's 36.502. Gary's got a 32.503. He's 5.3 seconds back. Robert's on a 32.502. He's second back from Gary. Bush got a snap lap of 8.1. Gary's got an 8.2. Robert's got an 8.6. Your chase to TQ is Gary Summers, 34.503. Bush is on a 36.501 right now, just killing it. Gary goes to the inside of Robert, but gets a little squirrely. Bush going to try to come around and put him a lap down. Man, that 2-wheel late model works good with some traction, but car's looking good. For those of you guys interested in that 10-scale late model, talk to Bush after this race. Be more than happy to race those next year, have to get a class of them. Woo! Nice job, Bush.
They were running.
3 minutes left.
Oh. Alright, guys, 2 minutes, 45 seconds to go. We got Bush, Gary, Roberts.
Oh, there we go. Sorry, Robert. Hey, we had some pretty close racing here. I thought you were doing great.
Alright, guys, 2 minutes, 20 seconds left. Bush still leading the way on his 36.5 flat. We got Gary's 33.508. Robert was 31.5 flat. Right now, everybody's on their own lap. Bush actually had 2 laps on it, guys.
Minutes left.
Alright, guys, 2 minutes to go. Minute 45, guys, minute 45. Bush still leading the way. Bush, Gary, Robert, that's the order. Again, everybody's on their own lap. Bush has 2 laps over Gary. Gary and Robert.
Probably 3 now.
1 lap, but Gary's got 2-second lead. And TQ is a 34.503. Bush is killing it with 36.501. And if you guys are wondering, he's driving a 2-wheel drive car. So that 2-wheel drive 10 scale because it's actually smoother. Like I said, Bush is driving the crap out of that thing, driving some nice lines. It's actually faster than the 4-wheel drive guys. Bush making a nice pass on Robert right there. You guys got 1 minute to go. Watch back stretch, watch back stretch. Gary slows down just in time not to cream him. Forty seconds still, guys. 40 seconds to go. Remember, guys, we do have pizzas up here. If you're hungry, come get it while it's here. Seconds, guys. 25 seconds. Bush, Gary, Robert, that's still the order. Again, everybody's on their own lap. Bush now got 3 laps on the field. He's still holding steady at 36.501. He's going to try to get that 37. Less than 10, guys. All right, guys, that's the race. Keep going until I tell you done.
Car 2 is done. Car 1 is done.
Gary's done.
Car 2 is done.
Everybody's done. Let's take that with the 36.501. Send UTQ. Gary and Robert, that's the order, guys. All right, guys, the time is 8:06. We're going to go racing today.
They look good, Butch.
Grab some food.